Hi, my name is Ankit. My registration number is UR15CS141, and this is my ninth experiment in Java lab. And my question is on Applet, and it's on Applet animation. And here the fifth one is the question which I have, the question which is allotted to me. So here is the question. The question is create a Java applet animation to move five balls in a random path within a square boundary border with colliding each other. Make sure that the balls should not touch the boundary. If it's so, it must repel to backward in random direction. So here I have created a program for this applet animation for five balls which will be moving in random direction. So here is the program. So here I have taken many header files, that is applet, colors and graphics, AWT and applet. So here I have created a class that is balls. So because I am doing the program on five balls, so I have named the class as balls. So here I have taken some variables, and here I have created the constructor for the class balls. So inside the constructor, I have given many arguments such as int x, int y, radius, and the diameter of the balls. So here I have given the x coordinate and y coordinate in the argument of the constructor. So this dot x equal to x, it will say that this x equal to this x. It will take the input from the user and it will be given. So the constructor has been made in here. So I have taken a public class that is bouncing ball extend. It extends to applet. So applet is the predefined class which is present in Java, which is predefinedly created in Java, and I'm implementing runnable. As I'm implementing runnable, so that I can create threads. So here I have created five balls. As per my question, that I should create five balls. So I have created five balls that are red, blue, green, yellow, and black. So I have given thread. So I've started the thread by giving t dot start. As I have created, t is the object of the thread, which the new thread I have created. So in as I have created an applet, applet has many forms of functions which are predefined. They are init, paint, and many functions such as start, terminate, and another functions there. So here as I have created this thread t, so after creating the thread t, automatically the it will create a function run. So here is the function run. So here we will put whatever the threads we are creating. So inside the paint, so paint is used to design the animations which we are creating in the applet. So here I have created the red ball. So red ball dot ball color. So I have taken the variable ball color so that I can give color to this. So here I have given colors. So here x, y are the coordinates present in the applet, and radius to radius. If I want to make the ball circle, then I have to give the same radius in the both. If I want to make it oval, then we have to give it some different radius. So here, as for this, I have given for the five balls, and here I have given it. So it is the first for the first ball I'm saying it. So here 80 80. It will start from the coordinates 80 in the 8. It will be in the x coordinate 80 and y coordinate 80, and here 20 is the radius. Sorry, so as I'm giving here 20 is the radius, and dx and dy, it is the direction in which the ball should go. So I'm giving 2 comma 4, then it should move in the direction of 2 comma 4, and here I've given the color red, so it will print it the color red. So similarly, as I've given in the as I have created the thread, so it should go to the run. So inside the run, I have created a while loop. So I have given while true because it will become an infinite loop. So the balls will keep on bouncing from here to here till the applet is not closed. So after that, I have taken the displacement operation. So how the ball should move from one place to another place. So for that reason, I have created a class that created a function that is displacement operation. So I have taken the variable of the class balls. So here I am taking if the ball is extending from greater than the y-axis, that is greater than 200 lines, then it will, and if less than 0, then it will decrement, so it will go in opposite direction. So I have given it's minus ball dot dy, so it will go in the opposite direction. For that I have given in the minus. Similarly for x-axis, it goes more than 200 or less than 0. If goes, then it will go in the opposite direction the which it is coming. So here, as this displacement operation will be carried out in here, so in this try function, so this, if any exception happens in this, then it will be catched by the try and catch blocks. So after that, the exception will be handled in it. So here I am running the program. So here is the program. I have created the applet. So here five balls are there which is moving in random paths. So it started from this path which I have given in here. So it's moving, and it's if it's any ball touches more than x, then it's moves to the opposite direction which I am giving it. So as it was given in the program. So this is how to make a applet animation. Thank you.